The Supreme Court yesterday said all high courts should put out in the public domain the time taken by their judges to pronounce verdicts in pending cases. As published in the Hindu newspaper, a bench of Justices Surya Kant and Joy Malia Bagchi was hearing a plea by 4 ST and OBC life convicts whose criminal appeals had been reserved in the Jharkhand High Court for 2 to 3 years without a decision. Justice Kant, CJI designate, said reforms and transparency must extend beyond litigants to the public, while Justice Bagchi said that High Court websites should have a dashboard showing judgment reservation and pronouncement details. The Apex Court ordered High Courts to file reports on their existing mechanisms to bring into the public domain the dates when pending judgments were reserved, the time taken between the reservation of their judgments and their pronouncement, and when the pronounced judgment is actually uploaded on their official websites.